Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's go ahead and check out and see some of the stuff we've done in the past 2 weeks. Well, it's been raining pretty hard all day. As you can see, even the curbsides are kind of flooded there. And whoever said that it doesn't rain in California, well, there it is, your nice, wonderful California weather. So I decided today to go ahead and just paint the inside of the trailer. So here's the big reveal of the color. It's a light gray color on the walls, and got my roller out and just painting the walls, trying to make it look good. With all this rain, all in all, we're okay. Unfortunately, we do have a few areas where we do have some leaks, and that's because of the fact that I haven't had the opportunity to install a weather stripping on top, and also the J-rail, the aluminum J-rail that goes outside. But as you can see, the boards are pretty saturated in moisture, and they're all sagging and everything. It's kind of a dreary and wet day today, so you can see that the wood paneling that I installed is really sagging here because of all the moisture. And it's going to be raining pretty much all day. And all in all, it's coming out. As you can see, we got the gray walls and the white trims around the windows. That's coming out real nice, along with the white ceiling. I still have to cut along the edges real nicely there with the gray color. And it's coming along. It's pretty nice. All right, here we also we're gonna paint the cover that goes up on top of a different color, the same color as the cover here. Because the cabinet underneath the sink. Yeah, we went ahead and also installed the oven and stove, and it works. Got the light going. 1965 stove there from Magic Chef Chateau. And I still don't have the gas connected to the stove yet, so I don't know if the stove is functionable or not. But all in all, it's nice and pretty. It was a lot worse, but my wife she took care of it and cleaned it real nice, and took some of the rust off of the sides and on the floor here. There's still some rust spots, but poor thing, she really broke her nails while trying to scrub these things clean. Right now it's all covered in dust, but we're going to do a final cleaning at the end of this renovation, and we're going to better review the oven. Alright guys, basically what we've been doing for the past 2 weeks, right here we have reinstalled the dinette set. Right now it's in a bed position. We're just checking it out, see if everything fits into place. Obviously you're going to have to reupholster these cushions. But this week I've built this wall here. I just finished putting the trim right here and putting this edge piece, corner piece. I also have to purchase another piece to put on the other side. But the idea of this wall is to give support to the air conditioning unit that we're going to install still here, and it's just to give it some support so it doesn't flap around as it's going down. As you can see, I also have painted the walls. It's a light gray color. I still have to do some touch-ups, and I also painted the window frames, and I need the screws, paint the screws. They're going to go right there and hold those frames into place. Unfortunately, our last rain that we had outside, I did not have a chance. Well, I was out of butyl tape, and I didn't install the J rail, what they call the J rail, outside. And because of the lack of the tape and the J rail, it was wide open, and unfortunately the rain came in and it kind of damaged some of this moisture. Got it all wet, and also so I'm gonna have to come with some keel and paint that over that, and then paint with the ceiling paint on there. But as soon as the tape comes in, we're gonna go ahead and put the J rail back in place. As you can see, my wife, she did a great job cleaning the stove for me. It all works properly. Still in good condition. We still need to do some cleaning and so forth, installing. I still haven't installed the gas to it, but we're going to work on that. I also added an extension here to this countertop, and right here is where we're going to add the battery and the wiring for the pump, water pump, and so forth. Now this coming week, what we're going to work on is we're going to work on the seating that I would like to put right here. And it's going to have side benches on the side in a U formation, and then the centerpiece is going to come out, and it's going to, the back end is going to lay down flat, and it's going to be our main bed here in this area. So as you can see, we are still painting. We did we're painting some of the cupboard doors here. Francisco did an excellent job on painting the drawers and everything that are going to go to this counter, and so we're doing that. The countertop came out real nice, the butcher board countertop and everything. We installed it. I still have to fully install the plumbing and the pipe, the sink here, but it came out real nice. I went ahead and put some butyl tape here on the edge of this, and I bolted the sink down. So it came out real nice, and I'm really really impressed with that. I also installed the 12-volt lights, ceiling lights, and I got those working. So I'm pretty pumped about that. These ceiling lights, I purchased them from Amazon, and it worked pretty good. So I'm going to install this one right there on the entryway as soon as I put the ceiling there and everything. Right here I haven't painted because I'm thinking of putting a backsplash wall on here, and I still haven't decided what exactly material I'm going to use, or color wise and so forth. Also the cabinet right here, I'm going to reinstall the cabinet that goes here on the top. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what's going on, and we still, like I said, we're going to work on this section. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video to others, and help us reach our goal. We like to at least end with 100. Well, we're almost there with 100 subscribers, so please help us out and send it to your friends and family and all. Well guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao for now.